Hey everyone. Welcome back to our channel KGS Store, ready to crack CDS 2025 and secure your defense career? CDS 2025 coming up? Need resources to boost your preparation? Here you go. Con Global Studies has got you covered with a free mock test series just for you. With a mission to empower defense aspirants, Con Global Studies has designed these mock tests to match the actual CDS exam pattern so you are well prepared for the day. Getting these free mock tests is easy. Go to Con Global Studies website and click on Test Series. Here is the CDS 2025 2 free mock test series. Enroll for free. Once you enroll, you will get access to 6 tests covering all 3 subjects: English, General Knowledge, and Mathematics. Tests are scheduled as follows. Test 1. January 12, 2025. Paper 1. English at 3:30 a.m. Paper 2. General Knowledge at 6:30 a.m. Paper 3. Mathematics at 9:30 a.m. Test 2. January 19, 2025. Paper 1. English at 3:30 a.m. Paper 2. General Knowledge at 6:30 a.m. Paper 3. Mathematics at 9:30 a.m. Each test includes question paper, answer booklet, model answers, and detailed evaluation so that you get a real exam feel. Get detailed explanations for each question and comprehensive performance analysis to know your strengths and weaknesses. Features of the test series. 1. Latest CDS exam pattern. Step-by-step solutions for better understanding. In-depth performance analysis for accuracy and speed. Instant rank generation to compare with peers. Expert video solutions for concept reinforcement. Don't miss this chance to boost your CDS 2025 preparation. Enroll for free mock test series now and start your defense career journey. Join thousands of aspirants across the country to use Con Global Studies resources to achieve your dreams. Subscribe to our channel KGS Store for more updates and CDS exam preparation tips. All the best. For more details and to enroll for free mock test series, visit Con Global Studies website. Link in the description below.